Hello, class. I hope everyone's doing well. I wanted to put together a brief presentation on discussion board effectiveness and how we might perhaps make our posts, and particularly our replies on the reading discussion boards, more effective and hopefully lead to more robust and deeper discussions. As far as an agenda, I first want to discuss the purpose of discussion boards, and then go over share some concepts or some suggestions of how to better interact on the discussion boards. First, by talking about expansion of the dialogue, compare and contrast, identify principles, application, respectfully challenge each other, and then finally a summary. Now, the purpose of the discussion board is really to have some thoughtful and robust discussions about the topic at hand. In our case, the book that we're currently reading. The discussion board really is not a bulletin board. And when I say bulletin board, I mean comments such as just nice job or great comment. There's nothing wrong with these comments, but on a discussion board, it should really go deeper than that and expand on just comments versus what you would see on a bulletin board where you're just posting things up almost at random. Also, we should gently challenge each other's thinking in comments. Again, not in a disrespectful way, but just to, nothing wrong with having a opposing point of view and respectfully explaining why you have that point of view. Finally, I'm referring mostly to the replies on the discussion board and not so much the initial posts, as initial posts would be responding to the discussion prompts that have already been set. So the first concept I want to talk about is expansion. So if you're responding to a post and you see that a post lacks detail, have the student elaborate. So for example, you could say something like, tell me more. What do you mean? What do you think? Why do you think that? And this should lead to a thoughtful discussion. So this would be a simple way, expansion, of replying to a post. Next would be compare and contrast. Hint at a parallel. For example, is there a parallel between trust and becoming more like the Savior? Next, contrast two of the same elements. For example, what kind of an impact does leadership style have on teamwork? Next, contrast two opposing elements. What are the pros and cons of a directive leadership style and a collaborative leadership style? So compare and contrast is another questioning method, if you will, of spurring on a thoughtful conversation or discussion. Next, identify principles. Extrapolate something we can apply. For example, what does this teach us about making decisions generally? Would be a good question to ask if you're trying to draw out a principle from someone's post or comment. Next would be application. How will you apply this in your life? So for example, how will this knowledge affect the way you magnify your calling? Would be a good question to ask that has to do with the application of a principle. Next, respectfully challenge. Gentle pushback questions, such as, I understand what you're saying and would respectfully push back because, again, this is a way of kind of refining our thinking, considering, as a receiver, considering someone else's point of view, and also a way to stretch ourselves, maybe to consider other ways of thinking, not that you necessarily agree with it, but that you're considering it. In summary, as far as the suggestion, just use thoughtful questions. And as you see from the questions that I've shared, they usually fall into one of three categories. What are you asking about, or what are you trying to find out? Why are you asking it, or why this question? And finally, how? So what, why, how are three approaches you can use or to consider when asking the question. Again, this should lead to more thoughtful or more meaningful discussions. And finally, good luck. I know you will all do well, and hopefully these suggestions will help you to make even more effective or create even more effective discussions on the discussion boards. Have a great week. Bye-bye.